Hey friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today I am talking Young Living's July promotions for their Essential Rewards program. It's a good one. It is so good. So good. So if you don't know what Essential Rewards are, I will link my video below that explains it all. And real quick before we get started, if you want to become a Young Living member, I'd love to have you join our team. My link is below. When you grab your starter kit on the Essential Rewards program, I'm gonna send you a $25 credit that you can spend on anything in your Young Living account, as well as some other goodies that I'll snail mail you that I am working on. So if you're not following me on Instagram at Take Care Mama, I will be announcing my welcome gift shortly. The theme for July, there's usually a theme. It kind of feels weird to me. It's back to school. Let's collectively say a prayer that our kids are going back to school in the fall. But it's all about like brain power, and I love it. I'm so excited. Their Essential Rewards have been killing it lately. This is the best one I've seen in a while. So if you spend 100 PV on the Essential Rewards program in July, for free, Young Living is sending us a 5 milliliter of Envision. I'm really into manifestation, the law of attraction, all woo-woo, things like that. And so I've been slowly buying oils to assist me in that. I have so far, I think just 2 really, and that is Abundance and Into the Future. I have Believe on its way right now, and I think Envision will fit perfectly into that collection that I'm building. It's a blend that renews focus and simulates creative and intuitive abilities. So we have black spruce, geranium, orange, lavender, sage, and rose. Rose is a really expensive oil and a really high frequency oil. I've never smelled this. It sounds really interesting, and I'm so excited to get my hands on this. If you spend 190 PV, you will get the Envision plus 2 oils. The first is a 5 ml of the blend Common Sense. I could use some once in a while. I have not tried this before, and the ingredients are frankincense, ylang ylang, acotea, I don't know what that is, goldenrod, ruda, dorado, azul, and lime. It sounds super interesting, and it's meant to increase mental acuity, improve decision-making abilities. So again, that'll kind of go into my manifestation little collection. So excited about that. The second one you get at the 190 mark, I've been wanting to try for so long. It's actually in the Kid Sense line, so it is pre-diluted with some coconut oil. And if you have a child 2 or above, that means it's already diluted to go directly onto their skin. So you can even put a little roller ball on top to make that easier. And I also have a lot of friends and people who I follow online that love this for themselves. So Genius is a carrier oil, sacred frankincense, blue cypress, cedarwood, Idaho blue spruce, Palo Santo, Melissa, Northern Lights black spruce, bergamot, myrrh, vetiver, geranium, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, ylang ylang, hyssop, coriander, and rose. I love almost all of these oils. I'm really excited to use this. I know a lot of people will put that on the crown of their head to just kind of help them focus and stimulate their brain function. And yeah, this is such a good month. I am really excited about this month, you guys. Okay, so then we did the 190. The next level is 250. When I first woke up this morning and didn't know the rewards, I was like, I'm only gonna spend 100 PV this month, but now I have to get to 190. And then the 250, I might have to get there as well, because I've wanted to try this for a while, and it is a 5 ml of Egyptian gold. It's a really sought after blend. It's really expensive. A lot of oils from the Middle East, and they are as follows: frankincense, balsam Canada, lavender, myrrh. I love myrrh so much. Let me know below if you like myrrh or not. I feel like it's a divisive oil. Hyssop, northern lights, black spruce, cedarwood, vetiver, rose, and cinnamon bark. Enchanting, stimulates the central nervous system and the immune and respiratory systems. I really want to try that. So that's the 250 mark, plus you get everything else that I talked about. And then lastly, the 300 PV mark, you get all of that, plus, a lot of you are going to be happy, a 15 ml of Valor. Valor is so many people's all-time favorite essential oil blend. It's the most expensive oil that comes in the premium starter kit. For a 5 milliliter, it retails for about $50. They don't even really sell the 15 milliliter, the big size, but you're gonna get a whole big 15 mil of Valor if you spend 300 PV this month. I know a lot of you are going to jump on that. It has blue tansy, which is a super expensive oil, frankincense, so many great oils, and people use it in times when they need a little extra courage. I often will put that on the crown of my head or my heart chakra when I'm feeling nervous or anxious about something, and it is so comforting. So that is the 300 PV mark. Such a good month. Let me know below if you have any questions. And again, I'd love to have you sign up with our team. We have lots of great Facebook education, and we'll hold your hand during this process. And again, if you sign up on Essential Rewards, I'm going to send you a $25 credit plus a fun welcome gift that I will mail to you. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and take care. Bye.